Xpert is a social learning app to help you learn from the best. We are not a regular online course, but rather an experience that is beyond regular classes, lectures, and assignments. We have India's top experts across each profession share the experiences, opinions, techniques, and advice accumulated over the lifetime of their careers, all delivered in snackable bits via the feed or answered to you directly over chat.
Imagine gaining business advice from Ratan Tata, singing tips from Arijit Singh, or learning acting from Amir Khan. Here's what you can use the Xpert app for.
Discover and follow experts.
Use our search panel to discover and follow the best relevant to your interest and career. You could even suggest new experts for us to review and get on board.
Transform idols into teachers.
Learn from their journeys, challenges, techniques, and opinions. Get inspired.
Stay updated real time.
Receive instant alerts on their news and interviews published across the web.
Ask your questions.
Itching to get an answer from them? Why not ask them directly? Or you can even vote for the questions which you would like answers for.
By the way, we are counting on you to help us make Xpert better. Feel free to chat with us here, to share your suggestions and ask us any questions. We hope this app helps you get closer to your idols and achieve your dreams.